Why do so many relationships start with fireworks but end in frustration? Why do the very people we love seem to become the ones who hurt us the most? The truth is, the seeds of failure are often sown in small, everyday moments. Relationships don't crumble overnight. They erode bit by bit through neglect, indifference, and unspoken resentment. Nothing kills a relationship faster than indifference. The moment when you stop caring about your partner's feelings or opinions. Over time, small dismissals, forgetting their needs, or brushing off their dreams create a sense of worthlessness. Contempt follows close behind, where eye rolls replace affection and irritation replaces kindness. You feel it when your partner speaks, and it's like they're belittling who you are. When was the last time you really listened to your partner? Neglect isn't just about ignoring each other, but about prioritizing everything else. Work, hobbies, even the dog, over your relationship. The car gets its oil changed, but does your relationship ever get a tune-up? You can't expect love to thrive if it's neglected like a forgotten plant in the corner of a room. We often think of brutality in physical terms, but emotional brutality is just as harmful. Disrespect, harsh words, and undermining each other's worth damage trust and safety. Over time, even passive-aggressive behavior or constant criticism can turn a loving relationship into a battlefield where both partners feel bruised. Contempt is the slow poison in any relationship. It's not just the glaring, obvious fights, it's the small ways we tear each other down. A sarcastic tone, a dismissive glance. Once contempt enters the equation, it strips the foundation of respect, making it impossible to feel valued or connected. So, how do we prevent these relationship breakdowns? How do we build something healthier, stronger, and more resilient? Let's talk about the skills every relationship needs to thrive. 1. Insight. Know yourself and each other. The first step to a healthy relationship is insight. Understanding your own needs as well as your partner's is crucial. It's about being aware of why you feel what you feel. For example, if you're snappy after work, is it really your partner's fault, or are you stressed? Insight allows you to see beyond the moment and address the real issue instead of projecting it onto your partner. 2. Mutuality. Two people, two sets of needs. Relationships are a balancing act. Mutuality is about recognizing that both partners have needs and both sets matter. It's not about sacrificing one person's happiness for the other, but finding ways to meet both needs. Mutuality means saying, I see you, I hear you, your needs are important to me. 3. Emotion. Regulation. Staying calm in the storm. Every couple fights, but not every couple knows how to fight well. Emotion regulation means staying calm when emotions run high. It's the ability to take a breath, pause, and decide to respond with love instead of anger. It's knowing that you're responsible for your reactions, not your partner. 4. Appreciation and gratitude. How often do we forget to say thank you? Gratitude is more powerful than we realize. A simple thank you can remind your partner that they are valued and seen. When appreciation is alive, the relationship becomes a space where both people feel respected, admired, and loved. 5. Vulnerability. Embrace imperfection together. One of the most powerful ways to deepen a relationship is through vulnerability. It's scary to show your weaknesses, to admit when you're wrong, or to reveal your fears. But it's in these moments that true intimacy is built. Healthy relationships are safe spaces where both partners can be vulnerable and still feel loved. These are the foundations of a strong, lasting relationship. But what about you? How do you handle conflict in your relationships? What's one thing you could work on today to strengthen your bond? Share your thoughts in the comments below.